Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5074105. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows settings. Here you can see pause update option, so hit pause over here, and once it is paused, now you can resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, you can go back and then over here if you see retry option, you can retry and then check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the scan complete. This process will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and then once the second scan is complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5074105 over here. Click on search. Now over here, check your version, WINVER. Type in WinVer in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check the version, that is in my case it's version 25H2, and then go to Windows settings, go to system, go to about option. Check the system type. For me it's x64 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So for me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5074105 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, then open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. Run this exe file. The link is provided in the video description. You can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on a Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.